Welcome to how to change address on Amazon. So in this video we are going to show you how to change address on Amazon, but before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first thing that you will do, you will open up the Amazon app. Okay, just open up the app and make sure that you can just go here, and in this account tap on see all, and then what you're gonna need to do here, just wait until it's all loads up, and it will be a bunch of different options here. So we are still waiting, so just wait here until it's all loads up. So you just basically close this application and open up the Amazon application again, go in here, then just scroll down here and go to see all in your accounts section, and then you will down here and tap on your addresses, and now tap on add new address, and then from here you can basically fill this form and you can basically add a address here, or if you had a previous address here you can change it from here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.